Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the mini unboxing and the first impression of the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. In the box, you'll find the Pocophone F1, some literature that you will not read, clear case, SIM ejector tool, USB-C and charger. The charger included in the box is a Qualcomm quick charge charger. Luckily, Pocophone did not cut costs on this part. This is the most exciting part. Quiet please. We did a live unboxing of the Xiaomi Pocophone F1 on our Facebook page. If you want to watch the live unboxing video, you can go to our Facebook page or you can find the link of the live unboxing on the description down below. At the front, you will find the 6.18 inch 18.7 by 9 1080p LCD display. The notch contains of the 20 megapixel front-facing camera, earpiece, sensors, and infrared sensor for the face unlock. At the back, you will find the polycarbonate back, dual camera, and dual flash. The polycarbonate back really gives me the feel of the Redmi 1 or 1S polycarbonate back. Even though the back gives me the feeling of Redmi 1 polycarbonate back, the overall feeling in the hand still quite good. It does not have the cheap plastic feel like the Sharp Aquas S2. After the live unbox, I took some photos around, and I will include those photos at the end of the video. Remember to stay until the end. During the live unbox, I stated that there are some differences between the Poco launcher on the Pocophone F1 and the Poco launcher found on the Google Play Store. However, after I updated it on Play Store, the experience is consistent across devices. The only difference that currently I can find is that Pocophone F1 support Android Oreo long press menu. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media because I will do a hands-on of the Poco launcher on the Redmi Note 5 and compare it with Pocophone F1. That is all for this mini unboxing and first impression of the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. For the complete unboxing video, remember to find it on our Facebook page to watch it. You can also find the link down in the description down below. Remember to stay until the end for the photo sample. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, we started a Patreon page and now you can directly support our work. We prepared two tiers for you guys to support. The first tier is $5 growing tree. By pledging $5 per month, you can help us buy better gears for better video quality and experience. The second tier is the $10 seed purchasing. By pledging $10 per month, you can help us buy more review devices. Our review devices are not sponsored and we purchase it in order to keep our opinion neutral. Remember to support us on Patreon in order for us to continuously produce content for you guys. Thank you for your support. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.